G'day everyone, we're here today, Garage 7, and Dex has been nice enough to open the shop after Australia Day, so you know how he's feeling. So yeah, got Chea flying in from Sydney. He actually missed his flight this morning, so it's almost lunchtime now. He's got another flight and he's going to get here a bit later, but it's kind of worked out good. Nah, Dex has been awesome opening the shop up after Australia Day. Can't thank you enough for that. And yeah, he's got all the cars out of the way. I'll get the Beamer in there now, quickly change those coil packs over, put new plugs in, and yeah, let's get this thing on the dyno. We just changed from the split fire coils. These new 35 GDR coils. Cheers here. It's a 10 to 15. He's camera shy. Say hi, Chea. So yeah, we'll warm it up now. Make sure the coolant's all good. Make sure all the air's out, and then straight into tuning. Could you just flick the third switch in from the left, please, Chea? That should just run the water pump, maybe fourth. Nah. That one. No. There's one, two, it should be the third or fourth one. From the left?
Yeah, off from the left.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, yep. Alright. Because honestly, I can't handle that. I know it's normal, you're meant to do that with tuning, whatever, but just having it flat out under that much load and just checking every throttle, oh man, it's freaking ridiculous. So just come out for some breath. It's like 40 degrees today too. I think it's 42 down here in Adelaide. Not ideal temperatures to be tuning as well. I still got, sorry if I'm yelling, but I still got my ear plugs in. Far out. I haven't even done a power run yet and I'm like all nervous, and when you guys put so much into a car, you understand. Alright, I've got to try and get a power run for you guys. So we've skipped a whole lot. Sorry about that, but the camera actually went flat. We're at garage 7. So in the end, you obviously got to see a few power runs and that. The RBM3 ran absolutely faultlessly. It's kind of a little bit scary doing those whole dyno. I hate it. Personally, I hate doing dyno days because the car gets put under so much freaking pressure. And you know, obviously I just changed the vital part of the engine, like the timing belt. And all that work I did to it, and it's just, you know you done it right. You triple checked it, you quadruple checked it. You know, there's that thought in the back of your mind where you think, anyway, doesn't matter. Everything's perfect with it. It ended up making more power. So on high boost, it's now making like 620 or 630 real kilowatts, which is, you know, ridiculous. So, and we're getting more torque. That's probably the biggest thing that we're looking for. Like the RB engine doesn't make that much torque, you know, compared to all these V8s and whatever. But yeah, so if we can find a little bit of torque out of these, yeah, it's awesome. So RBM3's done. Sonvia's next. Okay, so yesterday was actually the day after the dyno. I didn't get any filming done because it was ridiculously hot in the shed. I have made a lot of progress. I've done all the timing belt, water pump, everything on the engine for Sonvia. Just getting all the parts out from, obviously they've been sitting in the car for ages. Just getting everything sorted, just to be able to put the clutch, like flywheel and clutch on now. Making great progress with that, and obviously the gearbox has arrived. Although we didn't get a shifter with it. Yeah, just quickly, it's pissing down with rain today. Yesterday was 45. The day before that was 42. Now today it's like 20 something and raining. So yeah, sorry if you can't hear me, but obviously the rain's hitting the roof. Oh, one thing that has happened, which is really awesome, is Aaron from Lone Star Drift in the US actually contacted me. Turns out he put a post on his Facebook or something happened like that, and a whole heap of people, like he basically put a status out there saying, does anyone know this DriftSquid dude? You know, I've never heard of him. How can I get in contact with him? So obviously a few of the people that follow him knew me or follow me and commented on his status and gave him links to my stuff. So thank you guys, I seriously appreciate that. Anyway, Aaron got in touch with me and he had no idea who I was, like zero idea that I even existed. And he stumbled upon my YouTube channel and noticed, you know, I've been to Japan, I drove for Team Orange, and he does a lot of stuff over in Japan with Team Orange and power vehicles. I've actually been following Aaron for a long time, like the Lone Star Drift page and the YouTube channel. So it was pretty cool to have him contact me, and he's actually going to put a video out about me on his channel, which is freaking insane. Like, yeah, I was blown away actually. So can't thank you enough, Aaron. Thank you. I appreciate this so much. You know, it's freaking cool when there's genuine people like that in this world that, you know, they want other drifters, and you know, I'm not even in the same country as him, and he wants to help me grow. It's freaking awesome. So thanks, Aaron. Thanks for being a genuine freaking good bloke. Appreciate it. We need more people like you in this world, I'm telling you. So as for the RBM3, just wanted to say a massive thank you to Powertune. Chea flew in Saturday lunchtime. He missed his flight. But we still got it all done. It was a really hot day, so big thanks to Dex for opening up the shop, letting us use his dyno. Now that this thing's sorted, it's just a massive weight off my shoulders, like ridiculous amount of weight off my shoulders, because the next event for this is huge, like massive. It's in Australia, and most of you will probably be there. That's all I can say. So that's going to be wicked. We're still finalising what we're going to do with the look of the car. I don't know, it might just be plain, black or white. I don't know, what do you guys think we should do? Like, I'll be honest, I can't afford to wrap the whole thing. So it's either going to be all black or it's going to be all white. MTAA Super, they're coming back on board for another year. Can't thank them enough. They've been a huge supporter of my program since 3 years ago now. And they're actually jumping on board the old car as well this year, so that's going to be wicked. I might as well get stuck into this right now. Oh, one thing that's really crazy is with my old G-Force, and it seems even worse on this brand new one I got. but I'm forever, I don't know if you can see this, forever, this is what happens to my spigot bushes. You know, they just, I don't know, it's crazy. That's why I said you can never have enough spigot bushes. But I don't know, the G-force just seems to chew them out. Like I'll show you quick why I think they do it. This is the input shaft on a G-force, right? See how much that moves up and down, and like there's a lot of play in that. And obviously that can float around in the crank, and that's basically how those spigot bushes end up all teared, really. So I put a new one in, bunged a new one in. I'm sorry I haven't really gone through what I've done with this engine. I just wanted to get a heap of work done yesterday, so I kind of jumped ahead without the camera and just did everything. Cleaned up the clutch. I use ARP flywheel bolts. Yeah, literally just going over the engine, getting everything sorted. I got to clean out the engine bay yet. Just make sure I got all the right parts ready to just chuck it, because I think it was 2 years ago since this was running, maybe 3 or something. I can't really remember if I needed any more parts. There was a heap of things that I fixed up back then when it was all stripped down. I just got to get busy cleaning all this up. I'm going to have 2 working cars soon. It's freaking crazy. God, I'm so excited. Anyway. And our first event for the year is not this weekend, it's next weekend. So I don't have much time. But yeah, I gotta hurry up and get this thing running, because we're taking this to DriftSquid Matsuri. Yeah, at Winton Raceway. I can't freaking wait. I haven't been to Winton since 2009. Yeah, it'd be 2009. And it was in this as well. I can't freaking wait to get back to Victoria. And the best thing is, we're bringing all the merchandise, everything. So all you guys in Victoria, if you come to the DriftSquid Matsuri event at Winton Raceway, make sure you come say hello. I'm gonna have the passenger seat, so you never know what could happen. It's just gonna be a wicked event. It's 2 days, 10th of Feb and 11th, and it's literally just, it's all about having fun. The main factor of drifting, that's what it's entirely about. I'm really looking forward to it. I just gotta hurry up and get everything ready so I can get there. We'll call this a wrap for today, because I'm just gonna get busy into this again. Sorry I'm not showing you anything, but I just gotta focus on getting all this stuff ready, and we'll be back tomorrow. We'll start doing some more work on the car, and I'll just slowly go ahead with it. But I just want to get a big chunk out of the way so we can just start tomorrow by putting everything in and getting it all ready. So thanks heaps for watching, guys. I appreciate it so much. And even though this is only a small channel, I'm freaking enjoying it. I really am. So thank you. I appreciate it. See ya.